My name is Lee Coulson. I'm a basketball coach from Aberystwyth, but I also coach multi-skills in a Llewod Disability Sports Club and the Mighty Ducks Disability Sports Club. Today we're going to be doing multi-skills activities which focus on our ABCs: agility, balance and coordination. All our games can be done seated or standing, and have fun and change them and modify them how you want to do them. I hope you enjoy our activities. Our first multi-skills game today, we're going to be practicing coordination with the ball, and I've got Olivia, my helper, to try out some of the skills. So we've got a nice ball and a book, and the first thing we're going to do is try balancing the ball on the book. Next, we will try bouncing the ball on our book. Here we go. And when you find that really easy, we could try swapping hands or try alternating, changing the sides of the book. Good. When we want to make this into a game, what we'll do is we will have a rally with each other, and we're going to see how many times we can keep the ball going back and forth. Okay. To make this a fun competitive game, we can add points. So if the ball hits the floor because Olivia misses, I get 1 point. And the same if Olivia hits the ball and I miss. So let's see if we can score. Oh, I got a point. Well done. To make this more challenging, we can separate the floor or make a barrier so that we get half each. So we're going to use tea towels. Here we go. Oh, I get a point. Here we go. Well done. Good job. We hope you enjoyed that activity. Let's go on to activity 2.